Good morning, ma'am.
Can you see the bonfire?
No, ma'am.
No.
Rahul? Agrima?
Not yet, ma'am.
Can't hear. Rahul, Agrima, are you there? Sneha?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see the word file?
No, ma'am.
No, no.
Can you see it now?
Yes.
The other screen is not visible, the board. So, board name visible. Be visible. Okay, so boys and girls, you can Sneha, Rahul, Agrima,
Yes, ma'am.
okay, all three of you are there. So today you remember that you have to do the test. That is the test on those words which we were discussing yesterday. And so before we do the test, we'll finish the session 7. Okay, once we do session 7, then we'll go to the test and all these things. Okay, so your first, I forgot my text. I didn't follow this. Okay, so over here, any idea, what do you know about, you must have studied in school, what are those idioms? Agrima, Rahul, Sneha, anyone? Agrima, Rahul, anyone?
Idioms are basically phrases used in everyday life in which the phrase's literal meaning shouldn't be taken, but it's used to mean a certain thing and it can be used in different contexts of everyday life. Just
I agree with Agrima. What Agrima is trying to explain is, like, for example, we have 5 words over here. Okay, one screen only I can share at a time. Not go, the word time. Can you all see the word file?
yes.
You can see the word file. So over here, what we're discussing is the idioms are the ones, like for example, we have 5 words, okay? And when we combine those 5 words, then it makes sense. Okay, then it makes one meaning out of it. And if I see single word, it has different meanings. You got it? So that's what the trick over here is, that if I use it together, Sneha, we understood in simple words, Pahi. So if I have 5 words, let's say A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and if I combine them, they make one meaning. Maybe just to give an example, maybe like alphabets, right? However, if I look at different words, different letters over here, so you will find these different letters have different meanings. You can always say it's A. You don't have to necessarily say it's an alphabet, it's A, right? So that's what idioms are. Yeah. So in simple words, that's idioms. And Pahi, have you understood what are idioms?
Yes.
Okay, so these are. Now let's go with the phrases. What are these phrases? Any clue? Swastika? Satvika.
It's this collection of words which are not complete sentences on their own.
Collection of words which are not complete sentences on their own. So, what is the difference?
Idioms have creative meaning of phrases to count.
So over here, what she said is Satvika. What Satvika said is that that idioms you would find that over here when we're saying that they have different meanings. That is, they have separate meanings and all these things. In phrases, what she meant is that we combine it. And we combine it, then it makes sense. But there is a slight difference between idioms and phrases. That is figurative and non-figurative. What is figurative and non-figurative? Anyone? Rahul, Pahi? Anyone? Rahul, Pahi, can you hear me?
Yes.
Figurative means you basically you don't actually say what you actually mean.
Okay, you mean metaphorical. Okay,
Metaphorical.
okay. And Rahul, Pahi, again, can you switch on your camera, please? So in short, what are we trying to say is that the idioms and phrases, let's not divide it right now. Let's bring a meaning to it. Okay, so idioms and phrases are those words where if you see together, it has a different meaning. Can you also tell me how to turn on this AC? AC. Remote. Remote is in there. Idioms and phrases, they are basically those words which have hidden meaning, and you have to identify the meaning out of it. Okay, so if I use it, Agrima, I'm coming back to the same thing. If I use this as separate letters or words, let's consider these are words, they have different meaning. And when I combine together all these things, they have a hidden meaning, which is what you need to identify. Are we clear? Rahul, are we clear? Got it? Okay, so you can just write it down in your notes, which will be used in your exams. The meaning of idioms is generated. Meaning of idioms is generated through a collection of individual words. The meaning of idioms is generated through a collection of individual words. Collection of words. So idiom is basically a noun or an adjective. You can write it. Just two sentences. Idiom is basically a noun or an adjective which is followed by a preposition. Are we all clear? Idioms and phrases, the basic meaning. Okay, now you can come to the textbook. You can just see in the textbook, they have given you two types of expressions. That is, if you want, you can write it for your exams if you want. Prepositional idioms, you can just draw this like this. Idioms, that is prepositional. And which is the other one? It's written over there, see? And idioms is infinitives. Can you all see the board? Rahul, Agrima, Pahi. Okay, so you can just write down in your notebook idioms are types, that is prepositional and with infinitives. Which are the yes, please.
In the green box, it is written idioms generally demonstrate 9 of human reaction. So what is 9?
9 of what?
In the green box in the second para.
Can you just switch on your camera? Aditya, I think camera is on, so I can't see you properly. Can you just repeat it again?
I said in the green box on the board on the Word document.
Okay.
The second para it's mentioned idioms generally demonstrate 9 of human. So what does 9 mean?
Okay, it's not literal. So basically, what they're saying is that there are ways to express, like we say habits, we say traditions, we say culture, and all these things. So we haven't included all those terms over here. So it's not something to be learned, just something to be understood. Culture, your daily activities, and all these things. So that is what they're saying. In short, it's all about your expressions, how you express it. Are we clear with them?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you, Aditi, did you write this prepositional and your with infinitives?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, give me an example. Prepositional.
I'm just giving time.
Yeah.
To be on the 7th heaven.
Sorry?
To be on the 7th heaven. On cloud 9. Means to be elated and very joyous.
Are you giving us a definition? Because
No, you asked me to give an example, right? Of prepositional.
because your voice is echoing.
Sleep on cloud 9.
Yes. So over here, what he meant is that that he's saying that it is ending with a preposition. That is what he's trying to say over here. In preposition, you are ending with a preposition, and we need not necessarily have verbs in it. So in short, he was trying to say this. But we don't have to enter into so much of complexity over here. We just have to identify that what are the phrases, how we have to identify in your exam. So that is our main logic over here. So over here you can see this. Same to understand. You see the first line in your word file. That commonly you would find it same to understand and what to. It's basically we just discuss certain words when used together, and obviously it brings a different meaning. And if it is used separate, so it has a separate meaning. Okay, that is what the trick we were calling A plus B plus C plus E. And then you can also say phrases. This means that are used interchangeably, in the sense that either you use idioms, wherever it is used, either you use phrases. More or less, you will find the same. And you can also see, quickly look, there is something different which we have not done. And so they obviously, when you read it, it's a different meaning, the whole sentence. So they say that there's a hidden meaning behind it. So that is what you have to identify as a student. Okay, so hidden meaning. And we just discussed it as a cultural value, metaphorical. Because if I try to extract just now what Aditya said it. Okay, if I try to extract a literal meaning out of it, it will be entirely different. However, what he meant is that is what we need to understand. That's what an idiom and phrases are. Okay, so here this is the same, and it has a capacity to add a flavor in the sense, like for example, it's something which is very bland. Okay, the prose or your poem or something like this, very bland. So you add something to it, because by giving the hidden meanings out of it. Especially you will find, I don't know if you have read about Shakespeare or not. If anyone. Okay, if you read about his works, about Shakespeare and even other poets, not exactly the authors, but other poets also. Okay, so you would find there's a lot of hidden meaning behind it, hidden meaning. Especially, I don't know if anyone has gone through Anthony and Cleopatra and any of these Jane Austen's books or something, Pride and Prejudice. Pride and Prejudice and all these books, you will find a lot of hidden meaning behind it. So that is what President is all about. So we'll just identify the difference quickly. So over here they say the meaning arises from your common usage, while phrase is small but the meaning when taken together. Are we clear with the difference? Rahul, can you just quickly explain the difference? Difference between idioms and phrases?
Idioms and phrases are basically similar, but the difference is between idioms being figurative, whereas phrases being non-figurative. Idioms generally mean what they don't mean what they are actually saying, whereas phrases are more realistic.
Yes, that's also good. Okay, so here you can see some of the examples. Okay, Pahi, can you just read out the first example and explain it to us in your own words?
The phrases example.
Yes, dear, idioms example. The first one, being comfortable in one's skin.
Yes.
Like for example, if we say that I'm really comfortable with my skin, what does I mean? Do I mean literally, or do I have a hidden meaning about it? What is the hidden meaning, boys and girls?
That I'm comfortable all by myself when I'm
All by myself. Yes. Best around the bush, Satvika. Yeah, beat around the bush. Yes, beat around the bush. We always say that you have to talk directly. Tell me straight away. So don't beat around the bush if you want to say something. Okay, so that's your idioms. See your phrases quickly. So here they say deep down, of course, a deeper feelings and all, right? And your Latin and Greek, some strange meaning, something which I don't know, right? So we always say it's Latin and Greek. I don't understand something, right? Challenge of imagination, that is, it's something which I can't imagine. And of course, a group of men and women, that is actually good. Are we clear with this? That is what the topic is all about, idioms and phrases. So basically the question will come where you should know the meaning. Okay, and we'll practice all the meanings in the class itself. We'll wind up today. You can spend 5 minutes, okay, and just go through page number 79, page number 80, 79 and 80. And then let me ask you questions from there. There is no actual theory behind it anymore. The phrases. You know that, not.
Can you repeat the page number?
70, 79 and 80. So when you go to page number 80, okay, so there is a printing error. Then whatever is written correct is incorrect, and whatever is written incorrect is correct. So please bring a change. Rahul, Parthi, bring a change, please, on page the things.
Is worthy of and honest. Okay, writing be worthy of the
Okay, writing doesn't only have a literal meaning to it, in the sense writing is a piece of work like which I found. So we use this word writing. One is literal, that is we use it with kids, that your writing is learning to improve on your writing. This one we use it for adults, we use it for the writing skills. One we use it on what you do. Skills. So that's why there's a difference between
Oh.
handwriting and writing.
Ma'am, do we just have idioms and phrases, or do we have proverbs too?
Do we have? Do we have what?
Proverbs. Proverbs.
We do have.
Like, is it asked in the IPM Act?
Rahul, we will. No, because in your exam also, in your paper also, it's not there. I mean, I didn't find in any of your exam papers. If you have one, I can do that.
No, it's okay. If it's not there, then it's fine.
It's not there. I mean, you want. Okay. So just see 79, 80 quickly, boys and girls. Any doubt, let's clear it.
Stick to one side. Stick to your
Get together.
stick to one side.
What you said.
Yeah, stand on your word.
Yes. I mean, don't change things. Done, boys and girls? Sparky, Rahul, Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Any doubts? 79 and 80, can I do something? Add or anything? Pahi, Rahul? No? Okay, so over here, do you directly want to give a test or you want to read some of the idioms? Direct test, Pahi, Aditya, please give me your, how do you want it? Pahi, I can't hear you.
Maybe we can read for this 5 minutes and then.
Okay, Rahul, Aditya, what's your opinion?
Whatever works for you.
5 minutes.
5 minutes you want. And Aditya is not responding.
Can you hear me?
He actually responded.
That is, Aditya was asking that do you guys want 5 minutes for the test or do you want to read it or you just want to go with the test?
5 minutes.
Okay. Or shall we finish the exercise after this? I think. Did last time also.
We can one extra. Second.
Read your textbook. No phones, please. Won't get any homework or anything. Just focus over here. Done? Pahi, Rahul, Aditya. Can we do the exercise first? Then let's just wind up everything and then go with the test. If any doubts,
Yes.
I can clear. We'll start with exercise 1. Finish exercise 1. Let me know. We'll discuss the answers first. Guys done. Baby, Baki, Rahul, Aditya. Rahul, are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
All three exercises we have to do, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Question number 1A is mark your answers. 2C, 3D, 4D, 5C, 6A, 7B, 8C, 9C, and 10D. Any doubt in here? Just see this line. Bring. It isn't bringing. It isn't easy to bring up children nowadays. Milona just bringing out a new record, bringing in a new. It's something very small.
Ma'am, it's supposed to be bringing in.
It is supposed to be that. However, do you think so it's right? Madonna is just bringing in a new record.
I think the other options are right, so C has to be wrong.
He's correct. You know, children nowadays. What do you guys think? I think question number 9, B part is correct. Rahul, what's your opinion?
Oh, I think C is the wrong answer. We have to take the wrong answer.
No, actually, yeah. Okay, part C. Okay, so with your session 7, can you see practice exercise 2? Amrita, have you finished that?
Which exercise?
Exercise 2.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, one again you have to mark the incorrect figure. Okay. 1D, 1D, 2C, 3A, 4D, 5D, 6D, 7. Let's read it. It's written do. I spent a month doing a flat and I think it's quite nice now. That's right. I spent a month doing a flat and I think it's quite nice. Definitely has been done away in many countries. Has been done away is not right. Be done away. Do your best, keep the rest to God. This is correct. When you do something up, you fasten it. Definitely has been done away.
It could have been gone away instead of done away.
It's gonna say definitely correct. Boys and girls, Aditya, A you think it's correct, right? 7A.
Exercise 1.
Exercise 2.
One minute.
A doesn't have any issues. B, C doesn't have any issue. I think D has an issue. When you do something,
I might think it's D.
D, it's not B. Okay. When you do something up, you fasten it is not right steps. Okay. So just correct it in your textbook. Agrika, Rahul is corrected. 7 answer is given B, it's 7B. Okay. And you can see 8 drop. That's then I will drop out.
Oh, ma'am, if the 7th, the do up is wrong, then how can the A part be right?
Oh, it's not right.
The 7th A, I spent a month doing up.
Incorrect, right? Inappropriate.
I think the phrase do up means referred is here is to repair. That's what maybe do up refers to.
Why?
Like you're repairing or redecorating an old house or that.
That is used in the regular language also. Spend a month doing that.
Like what is the final answer for the 7th?
Part D. D is wrong. Instead of B, it's D.
When you do something up, you fasten it is wrong.
Yes.
Shouldn't it be right? So the answer should be done away only.
We leave question number 7. Let me figure out this. Okay, and I'll get back. Maybe at the end of the class. Go with question number 8. 8B, 9B, 10A. Pen is not a right pen. Okay. Okay. Practice exercise 3. 1B. 2C. 3A. 4D. 5A. Then the guy. Baser is the square. 6B. Seven. Then you have very experienced in a relationship with her. Now she is in a state of policy against the world. 9 is B, 10 is C. I think the rest of the answers are correct. Only that issue was 7, question number 7, exercise 2. Do you want to just go through these idioms or you have already gone through at home? What is the status? Aditya, Rahul, Agrima, what is the status?
I've gone over them, like some of them a little bit, so you can take the test. Or like anything, everyone's fine with.
Even I have gone through them. You can take a test.
You did?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you mean can we start with the test? That's what you mean? Aditya, Agrima, Rahul?
Sure, ma'am.
Okay, let's start with the test. Please put your camera, Rahul, and Agrima on your notebook. Close the textbooks. Open your notebook or sheet. Rahul, try to shift your camera, please. Agrima. Number 1, write down the questions first. Fall over one another. fall over one another. Gala day, gala, G-A-L-A, gala day. Number 3, gain ground, G-A-I-N-A, ground. Get into hot water, 4.
Can you wait? Can you go a little?
Which one? Okay. What have you done? Have you written 3? Aditya, 4th one, get into the hot water. 5th, go by. Go by. Huh? 6th, go scot-free. 5th. Come to another one. Hair standing on end. Hair standing on end.
What is after go scot-free?
Agreement, you want me to repeat?
Yes, ma'am. What was after go scot-free?
I don't know which number you're talking about.
Hair is coming.
Oh, hair standing on end. Next, high spirits.
What? Can you repeat, ma'am?
High spirits.
I.
H-I-G-H, I. Labor of love. Labor of love. Jack of all trades. Lions share. Lions share. Moot point. M-O-O-T. Moot point. Next, make up one's mind. Make up one's mind. Next, not worth the salt. Not worth the salt. Nurse a grudge. Nurse, N-U-R-S, nurse a grudge. Pillar to post. Rise from the ranks. Rise, R-I-S, from the ranks. From. Rise from the ranks. It's basically about the position. That's right. A square meal. A square meal. Now you guys have two options. Either you can write the meaning of these idioms, okay, in short, or if you find it difficult to write the meaning, you may write a sentence. But you should be able to explain us the meaning. I'll ask randomly, okay, and then we should go ahead. You do this much, let's discuss, then we'll go further. It's 11, it's still 11:15, you can do it. Okay. Akrima, Aditya, Rahul. Fine. Satvika has finished. How about Agrima, Rahul, Aditya?
Done, ma'am.
Done, ma'am.
Done. Agrima?
Ma'am, I have 3 left.
Rahul, if you have done, Aditya, let me give you some more words. Not the idioms, but the words. Okay, let's not waste time. Others can just finish that.
Done, ma'am.
Okay, write down the first word. Accord. ACCORD. Yes. Next word. AME. AMELIORATE. Ameliorate. Third. Arson. ARSON.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Arson. ARSON. Next. Benefactor. BENE. FACTOR.
After ameliorate.
Sorry, Rahul, what did you say? Which one?
After ameliorate, the third word.
Okay, the fourth one was ARSON. You already wrote, right? ARSON. Rahul. Okay, next. Candid. CANDID. Candid.
PAD.
CANDID. Candid.
Okay.
Next. Cement. CEMENT. Cement.
Ma'am, which cement is it referring to? The noun or the
Noun or a verb? Aditya,
yes, ma'am.
write down expert.
Expert.
Yeah.
Ma'am, can you write the words you're dictating on a board? It will be easier for us.
Okay. Okay, I'll do that. I'm writing the next word, okay? Can you see from here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Read it from here. Agrima, Rahul. Again, if you don't know the meaning, try and do the meanings. If you don't know the meaning, try and write in the form of sentence. At least we should have a grip on those things. Read it from the text. Okay? Whatever words were there, you find it. We try and figure out sentence.
Ma'am, we have to write the meaning of these words or use them in a sentence.
See, it's always preferable to write the meaning because these are the root words. Okay, so meaning is much better. But in case if you can't manage the meaning, then you go for the sentence. Only if you can't manage. Have you understood that?
Yes.
Try and do the meanings. My suggestion would be how we used to study for entrance exams, like how I used to study, whatever you write these words, okay, and because these are all difficult words, which we don't use it in our regular life. So what you can do is you can just take this sheet, paste it on the area where you are most, it's most visible, like an almirah, your wardrobe, near the bed or something. So what happens is you're going, coming, you can just read those words, it sticks to your memory. That means. Okay, Sarthika, try that. It works. You just have to tear your notebook. That's all. And take a photo of it as a backup. Because that's your notes. Take a photo of it as a backup in case something happens. Yes. It's something that, I have a zeal to finish this. I mean, passionate. Okay, so that's what zeal and zest differs somewhere. Zest is reading your passion. Zeal is your passion. Zest is that's not passion. Yes.
Ma'am, so for the word meanings, you just gave us 6 words. Or okay, I mean,
Yeah, what I was calling out. Okay, Rahul, Aditya, once you finish, you have to tell me, okay? I can't see from here. Then I can give you more. Let's finish it off in the class.
I'm done now.
Okay. Let's do some more. Okay, some more idioms. Another 15 minutes, we'll discuss everything. Sing the blue. I'm just helping you guys. This is the we hardly have time. So only you cover max. Because I think my other experience is like I don't study at home, but I still teach you the point.
It's that not that much time.
Yes. Are they done?
I don't know some of the answers, but I've completed whatever.
There's so many idioms that you know you find it difficult. It's pretty normal. So you can just open your textbook, read up, and then form it in your frame it into your own sentence. But don't waste time. Too much of yawning. Have water, guys.
Can we take a 5-minute break after this?
Yes. You want to take it now? Take it now. Because I don't want you to burden yourself with things. So, Agrima, stop your camera. Sometime 5 minutes. Sometime it's 5 minutes. Rahul, you're anyways yawning. Go and have water. Stretch yourself, go and have water. Then come back. You guys also have water. 5 minutes. 31, 36 is done. Big level. Lot of students, parents have very level.
Yeah, when I was That is just it. That is very important. That's
What is life plan for us that even though we are very talented, if we can crack it, just have that. I mean, these days things are becoming like that. Competition with children. That's why it's always suggested, have your backups, it's okay. Shall we start? Agrima, Aditya? Just 6 more. I won't give you more than that. Okay? 6 more. Just giving you the tough ones so that we have a grip. That's all. Uphill task.
Are you giving more words to this?
These are idioms. Okay, and I'm just giving you 5 more, not more than that. Just completing all those things. Just 3 more, not even 5. Yeah, only 3. Upgrade task, wipe with a grain of salt. It's usually said with a pinch of salt, but Bahi, what happened here?
Sorry,
We were here so long.
I'm here only.
Sir, wasn't showing up name, Bahi. That's why I was not calling your name at all. Throughout the class.
No, I was here the whole time.
Okay, did you write all the idioms, phrases? Did you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. And Sneha, how about you?
Yes, ma'am, same.
Sneha,
Hello. Hello.
I can't hear you, Sneha. Switch on your camera, please.
Hello.
Please.
Ma'am, I have wrote.
I can't hear you. Girls, where are they?
No, ma'am, I was there.
Okay, fine. Anything you want me to cover? Anything you want, any doubts or anything? I'm just waiting for you, everyone to do it. No, I'm not giving any more. I'm giving you a lot. Okay, so we'll just discuss those and find out if there are any doubts. Rahul will then go back to details. Aditya, have you finished?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we begin? I will take it here. Okay, what is this, Rahul? Let's go to the first word which we did, fall over one another.
Oh, eager to do something before everybody.
Sorry,
Eager to do something before everybody.
eager to do something before everybody. Anyone else? Kind of it's correct. Anyone else? Aditya?
Ma'am, I wrote a sentence.
Yeah, tell me.
They fell over themselves in order to gain her approval.
Your voice echo a lot.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
They fell over themselves in order to gain her approval.
Okay. And Agrima, what did you write?
I wrote the meaning. I wrote a group of excessively excited people.
Okay. That is what you wrote. All over one another, you did right. They both
Can you
can
roll at each other inside?
cancel. These are your idioms, right? Okay, Rahul, that is what Rahul was explaining in terms of that, I finished something before Satvika did. So that means Rahul,
Yeah, ma'am.
I finished something that is before Satvika did. What you are talking about is like relying on someone. Okay, that's a falling off. That's only my small difference. Okay, not major. Okay. And then the next word we have is gala day. Pahi, what did you write for gala day?
I didn't know the exact meaning, but it's something like a day where like gifts are given, like
Yes. Like for example, I had a gala, there was a gala day, that is because all the, like we have this, the Christmas, what do you call that? Secret Santa. Secret Santa, so that's what somewhere you can refer it to. Okay. Gain ground, Sneha, gain ground.
Ma'am, progress, like progressing. So I
Progressing.
wrote a sentence. She was gaining ground day by day.
Yes, just progressing day by day. Good. And Rahul, get into the hot water,
To get into trouble.
get into trouble. Satvika, go by.
Fine, go along. Or abide by something.
Okay, go by is a word, sorry, go along with something is go hand in hand. If you're coming along with us, hand in hand. If that's coming, you can write that. But when you write go by, it's saying I am trying to judge something. Judge. Okay, analyze. If not the right word, judge, it's about analyzing something. Go scot-free, Aditya.
Ma'am, I have written a sentence.
Okay.
Allow this criminal to escape scot-free in the judge. In the
Oh.
court, in the law.
Perfect. It's meant that he didn't get any punishment. Scot free. And Sneha, here standing on end.
I wrote a sentence. The thought of PTM makes my hair stand on end.
You mean in terms of surprise?
Sorry?
Did you mean anything in terms of surprise?
Yeah, the thought of PTM makes my hair stand on end.
Okay, PTM. Okay, got it. Thank you. That's fine. Okay, Pahi, high spirits.
To be very happy about something.
Yeah, I was in a very high spirit when I found that band coming in Mumbai and all this. It's very high spirits. Okay, jack of all trades. Tell me this thing, Rahul, is jack of all trades positive statement or a negative statement? What do you think?
Both.
So when I say that somebody is having a jack, he's having a jack of all trades and all, what do I mean? Does he have a good
Yeah, he has a good, like that person, good qualities along with the wrong sides too. Like pros and cons.
Perfect. That's what I wanted to hear. That it's not always something that that person knows everything. In the sense that he knows it more or less of everything, and he can have a grip of it. But there will be some issues with that.
But ma'am, that's like an incomplete phrase, right? Like the whole thing is jack of all trades, master of none. So in that, it's clearly there that yeah, master of none, meaning that he hasn't gained that much skill in anything. So there's the negative. If you just say jack of all trades, then it's more of like it's not positive. It's comparatively more positive than saying the whole statement. Because like when you're just saying jack of all trades, it's like yes, he is skilled at many things. So that can be perceived in a good way, but when you say that skilled at many things, master at none, it shows its inability to attain mastery in any field.
I completely agree. However, we are not talking in terms of the inability. We are rather saying that like for example, if they say Rahul is good in dancing, Rahul is good in playing music instruments, or he's good in reading and all these things. So I'm telling that he has all the qualities. However, I'm pointing it out that there might be partial things. So I am not saying that today he can be a coach for musical instrument also, or he can be a coach also. So he must have had a degree on the one thing. That's what I meant. Okay, so it's not negative, but it has certain limitations. Got it? It's just talking about the limitation, not as in the negativity. Okay, the next one, labor of love. Satya. Tell me in short, what do you mean by that?
Labor of love means something, a result or an effect that comes out of constant love.
Okay, so what Satvika says, it makes sense, but we are just adding a point over there. Like for example, I'm working in an NGO. Okay, so I'm doing something for society out of love, what you said, out of humanity concerns. So I'm not looking for any profit. That's only I'm adding.
I think labor of love refers to a romantic relationship. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but I mostly seen it being used in this sense.
The labor of love, you can say romantic relationship in literal sense.
The sentence I wrote was just a moment.
Labor of love, you can say literally.
She was the product of the labor of her parents' love of each other.
If you are breaking the sentence, yes. But if you're using the idiom just like that as labor of love, so you are saying it comes to service. So you may use it in two senses. Okay, but however, if I'm just trying to find the hidden meaning of metaphoric, That's a literal meaning. What Aditya said. Aditya said a literal meaning. However, we are talking
Meaning is a task done for pleasure, not for.
enduring. Okay, next is lion's share. Pali,
It's like a large part of the share or the major part of the share.
major part of the share. Like for example, if we're talking in terms of the properties, the major part of the share goes to lion's. You getting it? Sure. I'll take your test again. Same words. Moot point. Moot point. Like for example, if I left question number 7 today, okay. So if I say that's a moot point, so what does that mean?
Something which is not yet closed.
Yes, something which is not closed, something which is open for discussion.
Show what are the places if it's a point. It uses to change the offensive way of in way. And there is no point talking about this.
Yeah, because you were saying that there is a point of discussion.
And then there's no point of discussion because he won't change his.
You may use it in a negative sense.
Yeah.
You're using it in that sense. However, it's usually used in a positive.
What's the point of this?
That's we say that that just now I gave you question number 7. Okay, so we left question number 7. That's a question of our class. That is open for discussion. We shall get back to you. That's okay. Makeup. Sneha, what is makeup?
To solve things.
To solve. What did you say?
Things.
Okay, solve, compensate, make up things. Like you say, that something goes bad, and you say we're trying to make up those things, compensate those things with some other things. Okay, not worth the salt, Rahul. Not worth the salt.
Oh, good for nothing.
Good for nothing. The discussion is not worth the salt. Yeah. Nurse a grudge, Aditya.
Nurse a grudge means to bide your time and wait for the opportunity to take revenge. The sentence I wrote, it's a question. My friend, are you nursing a grudge against your ex-boss?
Yeah, it's kind of jealousy or something. Yes. Okay, pillar to post. Agrima, pillar to post.
Going from one place to another in a fruitless manner.
Perfect. Rise from the ranks. Rise from the ranks. I rose from a certain rank. I rose from a certain humble situation or a position. Okay. Do you want to say something? Anyone?
Is it rise from the ranks or rise to the ranks? Because I know I've not heard
From
of
ranks. From humble position. Rise to a rank would be to reach a certain position.
Is it similar to a promotion?
Emotion.
Promotion.
Promotion. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
But promotion, if I would have used it, I would have used you rose the rank to the rank. Okay, here I'm saying something that he was a very humble thing he had, and now he has come because of that humble nature. Come on, so that means square meal, it's a full meal. Sing the blues, Pari. Sing the blues.
It's like not liking
Negative, something which is not very positive in that sense. a kind of an attitude. Yeah.
Yeah, negative
Not,
attitude.
not happy. Sit up. Come on, sit up. Of those things. How would you say that? Sneha.
Actually, didn't do that was or we hadn't write it down.
Okay, split hair.
Ma'am, me?
Yeah, Sneha. Split hair.
Ma'am, to argue for small things.
Yes, minute is good. Rahul, strain every nerve.
Put every, to put all your efforts.
Agree. Thin edge of the wedge. Aditya.
I don't know what this means.
Anyone over here?
Mm.
Small startup which is going to be
Yeah, a big end.
Yes. Yes. It's like a startup which we open, which she said. And it's going to the brighter. Okay. Take French leave. Satvika.
I think it's to take a long way. The reason I said that is because eventually, like, being lazy and takes long vacations, 5 hours a day.
That's a.
That was your taking stop.
Yeah, I agree. Take French leave is something you don't tell me. You take a leave something which is not approved or and you took a French leave. You didn't tell me that you are taking a leave. That is permission you didn't take. Tune off. Pahit, tune off.
the quantity of something.
Yeah, I agree. Come on. Yes. Rahul, uphill task.
Difficult work or task.
Yes. Aditya, buy with
Compete.
complete. With a grain of salt, Satvika.
Take this opinion and famous.
Yes.
It's good.
Everyone here is all okay. Any doubt, anything, you bring it to me in the next class. That is we're meeting on Monday. Anything you find. Okay. And one of the classes there will be a surprise test of 15 minutes. Not more than that, only 15 minutes. Be prepared for your session 6, session 7, and today was session 8. We did session 8, right? Today? We were next one.
7.
7.
Okay, that's okay. 5, 6, 7. That's what I need. 5, 6, 7. Be prepared with these 3 sessions. Next class, I'm taking up session 8,
When's your next session?
Monday. I am taking it on Monday. Other teacher will be there tomorrow. She's taking Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Thank you. Bye-bye. Bring your
Thank you,
doubts.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Pencil is yours.